Welcome to the DoubleACS Daily News. For years, the Attleboro YMCA has been a resource for all members of the community. In the past, the organization has opened their doors to the homeless and those in need by providing access to their locker room showers. The Y has had to close for the past several months due to the pandemic, but they are beginning to open their doors again with appropriate safety measures. We spoke with CEO Robin McDonald to learn more.
We're really excited about the opportunity to use this Pleasant Street branch, an asset that is here for our members and our community, use it in a way that's helping some folks that are vulnerable and marginalized and in need in our community. Back on March 15th, when we closed this branch, the downtown building remained open. And for many, many years, our downtown branch has been a location where homeless folks can get a shower pass from the Attleboro Interfaith Collaborative, and they could bring it to the Y downtown. And with that shower pass, they would be welcome to come in, take a shower, use the locker room facility. When COVID-19 was upon us, we had emergency childcare in our downtown building, and certainly we had concern for staff and for the children and our residents that were still in the downtown building that had us limiting any guests or anybody coming into the building that was not absolutely necessary. We felt that that was the most prudent thing to do, and one of the side effects of that was that the folks that were using the downtown branch for showers could no longer do that. Lisa Piscatelli reached out to me, asked me if there was an opportunity for us to do something here. We worked through protocols from a standpoint of what kind of cleaning we would need to do to minimize the risk of somebody showering here and contracting COVID-19. And as you can imagine, there's lots of times there's competing health needs. Open the branch, let folks shower that need to shower. Certainly not being able to shower is a health concern. And then having folks use a locker room and a shower, even if it's cleaned in between uses, is also a potential risk. So you, like most people, we're weighing health concerns and trying to say what can we do to mitigate those concerns and still provide a service that is much needed. So starting Tuesdays and Fridays from 1 to 2. Anybody that is in need of a shower, any homeless individual, or really a person that needs a shower, they can get a shower pass from the Interfaith Collaborative or from any of the food pantries that are open. That shower pass just tells them the directions, what they need to bring, what they need to know. They need to have a mask, and how they are able to access this facility. And so that's been set up. We're excited about the fact that, again, we're able to redeploy an asset that's here for the community in a way that is very helpful. So, there's always thoughts about whether it's transportation or just resources, right? So I should mention that we've closed this branch right now for many reasons, but one of the reasons is our members can't use our branches, and we're doing everything we can to make resources available, but at the same time make sure that when we come out of COVID-19 that the Y is economically sustainable and survives the impact of not having members and programs. And so, as you can imagine, to have a staff person open this building, to have somebody here to clean this building, there's an expense involved. Fortunately, the Y and some of our partners led the Greater Attleboro Stronger Together effort. We were able to raise about $500,000 in a span of a month, and that money went to support nonprofits, 26 nonprofits in the Greater Attleboro area that were providing emergency services, and to support them so that they can keep their doors open when their fundraisers were canceled or their programs were canceled or their members can't come. We have been able to use some of those funds to support the staff and the cleaning that we need in order to have folks take a shower here. The second thing that we're able to do with that is the Y and other partners have been involved in the CARS Community Access to Rides initiative that was started about 3 years ago. And so if we do have an individual who wants to get here for a shower and they don't have transportation, or it's too far of a walk for them, or they don't want to take public transportation, they can get an Uber ride set up through either the Y or through the Interfaith Collaborative or some of the other nonprofits that are part of that partnership, and they can get a ride.